If you are struggling to use the music tones on your keyboard, this video is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. When I initially started learning the keyboard, I did not know how to apply all the musical tones that comes with the keyboard to my music. And there aren't a lot of videos available that teach you how to do it. So after a lot of trial and error, I finally learned all the functions and decided to make this video so that you can learn it too. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. Let's begin with the front panel of the keyboard. Starting with the power button, you need to press this button once in order to start the keyboard. However, you need to long press it in order to switch it off. Coming to the volume dial, this is also commonly known as the variable touch sensitivity feature. So depending on the style you are playing, you can keep a high volume for a hard touch sensitivity or a lower volume for a soft touch sensitivity. Now let's go on to the right side of the front panel that helps us use the musical tones features. So as you can see, the various voices, styles, songs and the group creator styles have been listed. So for example, if you want to select a particular musical tone, let's say the dance style, its serial number is 047. So first you need to select the style button and with the help of this keypad, select the serial number 047. Now as you can see on the display that 047 of the dance style has been selected. Now you need to press the start stop button in order to start the dance style. Press it again to stop. If you notice, the serial numbers between 047 dance to 081 disco are missing. This is because all the serial numbers from 047 to 081 are from the dance category. So if I want to play the 050 serial number, you can either use the keypad again or you can use the plus button to go ahead. So by using the plus button, I am able to go to the 050 style. Play and we have another style. You can also use this dial to go ahead or go behind. The minus button has also been given to go to the previous style. Then we have the category buttons. So for example, currently we are on the dance category, but if we want to jump to the disco category, we can either select 081 again from the keypad or you can press the forward function on the category bar and we will directly jump to the disco category. Coming to the function button, this button is used to adjust the volume, tempo and the tune of a particular style that you wish to play. So for example, currently we are on the disco style. If you want to adjust the volume or the tuning of this style, simply select the function button and then select the category forward button to browse through all the adjustments that you can make to this style. So if I want to increase the main volume, I can use this dial to increase it. Next we have the portable grand button. This helps to convert the basic keyboard into a grand piano. So to use this function, simply press the button and click on execute, that is the 0 button, and the basic keyboard has been converted to a grand piano. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post a new video every week. I hope you have an awesome day ahead and we'll meet next time.